Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today we're gonna talk about this device right here. This one that this brand sent to me for this video, it's I wanna say like a 3-in-1. Let me explain you why. This one, it's a wall heater, so you can mount it on the wall. You can see that even comes with this kind of like the level, so you can actually see that you're gonna put this one with the hose that comes in the wall, and you're gonna put this one in the wall and mark the hose and then drill with everything that comes right here in the package, and you can mount it on the wall. So this is really good for having in an office, for example, like in a bedroom, even in a bathroom if you want, or like a nursery or something like that, because it is 1500 watts of power with 3 different modes, a 12-hour timer, and also an auto mode. But the other thing is that it's a freestanding one. It comes with kind of like a base right here, so you can put it like this, for example, just like sitting on a piece of furniture or against the wall on a furniture or something like that. That is the second one. And the 3-in-1 is actually that it's smart. You can hook it up, or you can connect it to Alexa, for example, or any other smart devices, and talk to it to start a routine. You can set up a schedule, you can set up a routine with the app and things like that. So it's a really good 3-in-1 that comes with everything you need, including the instruction and the mounted brackets and a control, like a controller, like remote control right here that you can use it to operate. But the other good thing about this one is it has a touch control right here, a touch panel right here. And in here is where it's gonna actually be the heating thing. The heating thing is gonna be right here on the bottom, and it comes with a lock right here, which is gonna be a child lock actually. So now that it's unlocked, you can see all the numbers right here. Eco mode is the default mode. I do like the eco mode. I think that is the best one for small places, not something really, really big. You're gonna have to crank it up and put it like in like a fast speed one, or for example. But for a small office or nursery or bathroom, the eco mode, I think it's best. You can turn off the beeps on the volume. You can set up a timer. You can set the temperature right here, as you can see, and it's actually ramp it up to, oh my God, 99. I was not expecting that. No, that's actually rude. That's too much. We're not gonna do 99. Let's do 90. And it's heating up so fast. It heats up so fast. And you can just change the modes. You can set up the log. You can set up the Wi-Fi with the actual app, of course. And you can just like turn it on and off with the remote controller. And this, it's gonna tell you the temperature in the house or this area, and then it's gonna kind of like keep it up and just like put it up to the desired degrees that you said. You remember that comes with a child lock right here in case that you're not putting that one on the wall, but instead you're putting it in an actual furniture or something like that. I like it. I have to say that it's so easy to use, so convenient, and you can put it anywhere that I guarantee that you're gonna like it as much as I do. Recommend it.